Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Class, your chapter number 2 is running. That's name is Communication Tools. Yesterday, we have completed class. Means in previous class, we have completed surfing the web and equipments needed to surf the internet. Is it clear? Means surfing means searching the information and visiting an internet, and equipments which needed to surf the internet means for internet connections, which equipments we want we can attach for running internet. That equipments is called surfing to internet. Is it clear? So now today class we will understand virus and antivirus. First, virus. First question is raised, what is virus? What is virus? Class, a computer virus is a malicious software program loaded into computer without the user's knowledge and perform malicious actions in the computer system. I am repeating again class. Virus is a malicious software program that loaded into computer system without permission of the users. Means without knowledge of the user, they can enter in the computer system and they can perform malicious actions in the computer system. Is it clear? So definition is, the computer virus is a malicious software program loaded into computer without the user's knowledge and perform malicious actions in the computer system. Another way we will understand class, virus can self-replicate. Self-replicate means they can move from one file to another file, from one page to another page, from one program to another program. Replication is clear? I am repeating again. Virus can self-replicate. Self-replication means move from one file to another file without taking permission. They can move easily. Means virus can move from one file to another, from one program to another program. So listen, full thing. Virus can self-replicate, inserting itself onto other programs or files, infecting them in the process. All viruses are self-replicating program. All viruses are self-replicating program except Trojan horse virus. Means Trojan horse virus is a not self-replicating program. It means this type of virus, if you are copying, move and then paste in another file, they can move. Means directly they cannot move from here to there. Is it clear? Next class, types of viruses. Types of viruses. Many types of viruses are like boot virus that infected your booting sector, program viruses that infected your programs, worms, Trojan horse. I also explained Trojan horse is not a self-replicating. Is it clear? Means all types of viruses are self-replicating, but Trojan horse virus is not self-replicate program. Next, spyware and adware. These are the types of viruses. Again, I am repeating, many types of viruses are like boot virus, program virus, worms, Trojan horse virus, spyware virus and adware, etc. Is clear? Next thing class, next question is, who made first virus? Who made first virus? Class, the first virus is called brain. Brain is the name of the virus. So the first virus is called brain, and this virus was made by two Pakistani brothers. This brain virus is made by two Pakistani brothers, Basit Farooq Alvi and Amjad Farooq Alvi. These two Pakistani brothers made brain virus. This is the first virus. So I am repeating again, the first virus is called brain, and this virus was made by two Pakistani brothers, Basit Farooq Alvi and Amjad Farooq Alvi, from Lahore, Pakistan in 1986. Means this virus is made in 1986, made by two Pakistani brothers. So next question, class, what is antivirus? What is antivirus? Do you know, class? Antivirus software is designed to protect our computer system from virus infections. Again, according to this, we will understand antivirus is a software that is used for protecting our computer system from virus infections. It detects the viruses and remove viruses from the computer system. Means after detecting and scanning the virus, they can remove the virus from the computer system. So class, understood? I am repeating, what is antivirus? Antivirus is a software is designed to protect our computer system from virus infections. It detects and scans the viruses and remove the viruses from the computer system. Is it clear? Now, next in class, types of antivirus. Types of antivirus. Many types of antiviruses are running in market. We can purchase any registered antivirus for protecting our computer system. Many types of antiviruses are like Norton antivirus, Avicii antivirus, McAfee antivirus, Guardian antivirus, Kaspersky antivirus, etc. Means these are antiviruses. Those we can purchase registered antivirus and then we can upload in our computer system for protecting our computer system from the virus. Is it clear, class? Next thing, class, two types of detections we can use in antivirus. Like most two types of detection, signature detection and behavior detection. Means according to program, Like most antivirus programs work like the human immune system by scanning your computer for the signature of the digital pathogens and infections. Second thing, behavior detection. In this approach, instead of attempting to identify known malware, antivirus software monitors the behavior of software installed on your computer system. Again, is it clear, class? Is it clear? Now, your chapter, now class is over.